Welcome to an introduction on adding the AddStars code to your website. Once you have connected your review platforms and copied the code as explained in the Welcome to Your Dashboard video, you need to add the code to your website. If you are unsure about touching the code on your website, the simplest way will be to copy the code snippet and send it to your web developer. But if you want to try it for yourself and are looking for some guidance, from the welcome page of your dashboard, you will find 3 buttons to help you add the code to your website. The first way is to click the button, How to install AddStars, on your website, which opens up a new window. Once you're on the new page, follow the instructions for the type of website you have. At any time, if you have a question, please contact our support team using the chat box, which you will find at the bottom right of your screen. The next button on your welcome page is the knowledge base. From the home page of the knowledge base, find the How to install AddStars on your website, and click on it. Then follow the instructions for the type of website you have. The third option, if you have a WordPress site, is the Download the WordPress Plugin button. This will take you to the plugin download and installation page. Here you will find the WordPress plugin installation instructions. The WordPress plugin is also available in the WordPress Plugin Library. Simply search AddStars. We hope you have found this useful. If you have questions, please contact support using the chat box.